So let's do DHCP lab, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol lab, using both server as well as router. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. See, I can enable DHCP services on both servers as well as in router. First, I'll enable using server, then I will do it on router. So drag and drop one server here. Take a couple of PCs. Maybe I'll take 3 PC and take a switch. Okay. So this server is what I'm going to use for DHCP services, and they will give IPs to my PCs. Simple. Huh? So let's click on this server. First of all, you have to configure IP address for my interface. So click on config, click on fast Ethernet 0, this interface. Normally people forget or they will not remember to give IP only. So make sure to provide IP first thing. 90% people will forget giving IP address. So don't forget it. Click on config, click on FA0/0, provide IP address first. Then click on services, click on DHCP service. Okay. You can leave the name as it is. Default gateway. We need to give 4 information, guys. Default gateway, DNS server, IP address, subnet mask information. Default gateway, I'm giving it as 10.0.0.2 simply. DNS server, I'm giving Google DNS. Start IP, leave it as it is. That's it. So we are given a default gateway, DNS server, start IP, SM mask call. So click on save. Make sure to turn this on. Then click on save. That's all the configuration. I can go to my PC, click on desktop, IP configuration, DHCP. I got IP address, right? 100. This way I will get, I think, 101. 101. Easy. So that's how you configure the IP address, DHCP service on a server. How about router? Let's do it on router. So I will take one 1841 router here. Same way I'll take 4 PCs, 3 PCs, PC3, PC4, PC5. I will take a switch. Just for your reference, I'll write on the command here itself. First of all, enable configure terminal. First give IP address for interface. Interface FA0/0. IP address 10.0.0.1.255.0.0.0. No shutdown. Exit IP DHCP pool or Rhinos. Default router, nothing but default gateway, which is me. DNS server information, network ID information, with, I think, SMS. That's it. That's all the configuration for DHCP name called Rhinos. So let's do this on the CLI. No, enable. First, you think you configure IP for my interface. IP address 10.0.0.1.255. No shutdown. No shutdown. Right. Then you type IP DHCP pool, give a name called Rhinos, then default router, default gateway IP address, DNS server, network statement, net mask only, correct. That's it. Finished. Only this command you have to configure. I can go back to my desktop, IP configuration, DHCP. That's it. I got IP address. So it's that simple to configure IP DHCP services on a router or on a server also. Thank you.